If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat's search feature lets you find text within all PDF documents in a folder or within the current PDF. To use the search feature in Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button in the title bar, roll down to the Search command, and then select the Advanced Search command from the side menu that appears. Alternatively, click the Find Text or Tools button in the top bar of the current PDF in Document View. Click the ellipsis mark button towards the right end of the Find Text or Tools dropdown, and then select the Advanced Search command from the dropdown menu that appears. After performing either action, the search pane then opens in a new window in Acrobat. To toggle whether to arrange Acrobat and the search pane side by side on screen or let the windows overlap, click the Arrange Windows button at the top of the search pane. To select which PDFs to search, select the desired options in the Where Would You Like to Search section. You can select either the current PDF opened in Acrobat or all PDF documents in a location you must then specify. To choose a location if needed, then use the drop-down to select one of the default folder locations within which to search, or choose the Browse for Location command from the drop-down to then use the Browse for Folder dialog box to navigate to and select a specific folder. If you select a folder in the Browse for Folder dialog box, then click the OK button to return to the search pane. After selecting where to search, then tell Acrobat for what to search by typing a word or phrase into the field in the What word or phrase would you like to search for section. Optionally, then check or uncheck the checkboxes below that to further refine your search by looking for whole words only, making the search case sensitive, or including PDF comments or bookmarks in the search. If needed, to show even more search options when performing a search in Acrobat, click the Show More Options link at the bottom of the search pane to show a few additional criteria you can use to further refine a search. To perform the search after selecting any optional settings you want, click the Search button. Matching search results then appear in the search pane. The top of the pane shows the words Looking For above the search parameters. The Results section below that shows how many documents Acrobat searched and the number of results it found. To examine the search results one by one, click a search result. As you select a result, Acrobat shows that part of the PDF in the main document window and highlights the search term. Optionally, to save the search results as either a PDF or CSV file, click the Save button and then select the desired file format choice from the drop-down menu. To return to the original search pane after reviewing your search results, click the New Search button. To close the search pane in Acrobat after you finish searching, click the Close button in the upper right corner of the search pane's window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.